Hello students, welcome to the next video of science. Student, today we are going to study our topic photosynthesis. Okay, but before starting our topic, let me show you some plants. Okay, here you can see some beautiful plants are here. Okay, yes, you can see a lot of beautiful plants are here. But do you notice one thing, that all the plants have these plants have different flowers. You can see this flower is orange in color, and here it is yellow in color. This is marigold, this is lily, I think, and here you can see a lot of other plants. They have, all the plants have different types, different color, flowers of different color. Okay, here you can see yellow flowers. Okay, and there is a red flower on the हिबिस्कस प्लांट, गुड़हल का प्लांट है, इसमें रेड कलर के फ्लावर्स लगे हुए हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, बट वन थिंग यू नोटिस दैट these plants have flowers of different color, but the leaves are green in color. Okay, all the plants, in all the plants you can see the leaves are green in color. Okay, can you tell me why the leaves are green in color? Yes, you can see all plants, in all the plants the leaves are green in color. Here you can see a guava tree. Okay, and can you tell me why these leaves are green in color? Leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay student, leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay student, and can you tell me what is the work of chlorophyll in plants? Chlorophyll का काम क्या होता है? Chlorophyll gives green color to the leaves. Okay student, chlorophyll gives green color to the leaves. This you know that leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, so chlorophyll absorbs heat energy from the sunlight. Okay student, chlorophyll absorbs heat energy from the sunlight. Okay, before discussing about the process of photosynthesis, I will just show you the parts of a leaf. Okay student, but before that I want to show you the whole plant of guava. Okay, come to the guava plant. Yes, here you can see stem, the roots are present, roots grow below the soil. Okay, roots grow below the soil, so that we cannot see the roots of the plant. Okay, we cannot see the roots of a plant because roots grow under the soil. Okay student, now we can see the stem here. Okay, this is a stem. Can you tell me the function of the roots? Function of the roots is it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. It absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Okay student, and it helps the plants to fix itself to the soil. Okay, and now here you can see here is a thick stem. Okay, can you tell me the function of the stem? Yes, can you tell me the function of the stem? Function of the stem is it helps the plants to stand erect. Okay, जिस प्लांट की स्टेम जितनी ही मजबूत होती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, वो प्लांट सीधा खड़ा रहता है. ओके, यू कैन सी guava plant is in guava plant there is the stem is strong, so it is stand straight. But here you can see, देखिए प्लांट इधर उधर गिर रहे हैं. ये देखिए, ये टेढ़े मेढ़े हो रखे हैं ना. Why? They just fall down due to the wind. हैवी विंड की वजह से गिर जाते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज देयर स्टेम्स आर वेरी थिन. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट द स्टेम हेल्प्स द प्लांट टू स्टैंड इरेक्ट. ओके, एंड द वाटर absorbed by the roots, water absorbed by the roots is carried to the leaves or the other part, leaves, fruits and flowers by the stem. Okay, water and mineral absorbed by the roots is carried to the all other parts of the plants by the stem. Okay student, here you can see the leaves, and these are the fruits. You can see the guava fruits. Okay, flowers, there are no flowers. Flowers have changed into fruit. Okay student, flowers have changed into fruits. Okay, and if we cut this fruit, इफ वी कट दिस फ्रूट, अगर हम इस गुआवा को कट करेंगे तो हमें क्या दिखेगा? व्हाट वी विल सी द सीड्स. ओके, आई later on I will show you one guava. Okay, I will cut it and show you. Okay student, now come to the parts of the leaves. Before studying our process of photosynthesis, first let us study about the parts of a leaf. The student, here you can see a lot of leaves. Okay, I have taken these leaves from different plants. Okay, these are leaves are from the different plants. Okay, these leaves are different in shape and size. You can see how, see, look, this is very long. Okay, this is short and broad, and see this one. Okay, and see this leaf, its design or its outer boundary is different from others. Okay, so all the leaves are different in shape and size, but one thing is common in all these leaves. What is that? That is the green color. Okay, these green leaves are all green in color. Can you tell me why the leaves are green in color? These leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay student, these leaves are green in color because of the presence of the chlorophyll. Okay student, so first let us discuss about the parts of a leaf. Now see this leaf. Can you see this leaf? Yes, here it is a stalk, है ना, जहाँ से हम leaf को पकड़ते हैं, क्या है ये? Stalk है. Okay, and here in the mid you can see a line cutting the leaf into two parts, है ना, बीच में आप देख रहे हैं कि लाइन है ना, and it is cutting the leaves into, bisecting the leaf into two parts, है ना. इस लाइन की वजह से ये लीफ आधा आधा हो जाती है ना. This is the line which is bisecting the leaf into two parts, 1 and 2 parts. Okay, so this is known as midrib. Okay, this part is known as midrib. Okay student, and you can see the lines which are making V on the leaf, है ना, V shape बना रही है जो lines, इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Veins. Okay student, the lines which are making V on the leaves, V shape बना रही है ना lines, इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Veins. Okay student, and the part between the two veins, is known as lamina. Okay student, and you can see the boundary, how it is the boundary of the leaf. किनारी लीफ की कैसी है? It is sharp. मतलब ऐसी sharp नहीं कि हमारा हाथ कट जाए, लेकिन it is sharp as, so it is known as blade. Okay, ये जो किनारी है लीफ की आप देख सकते हैं कैसी है, देखिए zigzag sharp है, बिल्कुल बारीक है ना, sharp है, so it is known as blade. This boundary is known as blade. Okay, once again I repeat, the line which is bisecting the leaf into two parts, ये जो लाइन है सेंटर की, ये जो लीफ को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? मिड रिब. ओके, एंड द लाइन्स विच आर मेकिंग वी ऑन द लीफ, देख रहे हैं आप, वी बना रही है यहाँ से यहाँ ऐसे ऐसे वी बना रही है ना. द लाइन्स विच आर मेकिंग वी शेप ऑन द लीव्स आर नोन एज वेन्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड द space between the two veins is known as lamina. Okay student, and the outer boundary, the boundary of the leaf, it is sharp, so we call it as blade. It is known as blade. Okay student, so now we are going to discuss about the process of photosynthesis. Okay, this you know that the leaves are green due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, and what is the work of the chlorophyll? Yes, what is the work of the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll, it absorbs heat energy from the sunlight. Okay student, the chlorophyll absorbs heat energy from the sun. जैसे कि हमको घर में खाना बनाने के लिए हीट की ज़रूरत होती है ना, जब भी हम कुछ बनाना होता है तो सबसे पहले हम गैस जलाते हैं ना, उसके ऊपर बर्तन रखते हैं, है ना. तो मीन्स वी नीड हीट टू मेक आवर फूड. इन द सेम वे plants also need heat, and they get this heat energy from the sun. Okay, and this chlorophyll which is present on the leaves, it absorbs the heat energy from the sun. Okay student, and the second thing is there are tiny pores present on the leaves के जो lower side of the leaf होता है, it is the upper side and this is the lower side of the leaf. So in the lower side of the leaf there are tiny holes or tiny pores present. Okay, there are tiny pores present on the leaves which we cannot see with our eyes. ठीक है, बहुत छोटे छोटे होल्स होते हैं लीफ के लोअर पार्ट में, and these are known as stomata. Okay, the tiny holes or the pores, tiny pores present on the leaf are known as stomata. Okay student, and we cannot see these tiny pores. Okay, and what is the work of these tiny pores present on the leaf? They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay student, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay student, so the leaf को क्या मिल गया? Heat energy मिल गई from the sunlight and the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Once again I repeat that the leaves have stomata. The tiny pores present on the leaf are known as stomata. Leaves की underside में this is the upper side of the leaf. Okay, this is the upper side of the leaf and this is the lower side of the leaf. And in the lower side of the leaf there are tiny holes present on the leaf. Okay, these holes are known as stomata. And what is the work of the stomata? Stomata absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay student, तो लीफ को हीट एनर्जी मिल गई फ्रॉम द सनलाइट एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर. नाउ वी विल कम टू नो दैट हाउ डज इट गेट वाटर फ्रॉम द, हाउ डज इट, लीफ को पानी कैसे मिलता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई विल शो यू. वन क्लाइंबर इज हेयर, आई विल शो यू हेयर. ओके, देखिए, यू कैन सी द रूट्स. वी कैनॉट सी द रूट्स बट हेयर आर द रूट्स. ओके, हेयर द रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब्स वाटर एंड वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल. ये रूट्स क्या करती हैं? इट एब्जॉर्ब्स वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल. ओके, एंड गिव इट टू द स्टेम. ठीक है, एंड स्टेम कैरीज दिस वाटर टू द लीव्स. ओके, लीव्स तक पानी किसने पहुंचाया? स्टेम ने. स्टे. ओके स्टूडेंट, रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब्स वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल. रूट्स क्या करती हैं? वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं सॉइल से. ठीक है, एंड गिव इट टू द स्टेम. ओके, एंड दिस स्टेम कैरीज वाटर टू द लीव्स. ओके, लीव्स तक पानी पहुंचाने का काम कौन करती है? स्टेम. ओके स्टूडेंट, so when the leaves get water, carbon dioxide and heat energy from the sunlight, it prepares their food. Okay, and the process through which leaves prepare their food is known as photosynthesis. Okay, you can see there are lot of green leaves. Okay student, so leaves को पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? From the roots. Root absorbs water from the soil and the stem, this stem देखिए, this stem carries water to the other part of the plant or it carries water to the leaves. Okay student, these are the leaves. I have taken these leaves from different plants. So these leaves are different in shape and size. You can see, as you can see this leaf, see this leaf and this leaf, they are totally different from each other. Yes or no? Yes, and this leaf, it is long. You can see all the leaves are different in shape and size. See the shape of this. All the leaves are different in shape and size, but they are similar in color. They all are green in color. Yes, you can see all the leaves are green in color. Why the leaves are green in color? Leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. Okay student, chlorophyll. And what is the work of the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll absorbs heat energy from the sun. Okay, जिस तरह से हमको खाना बनाने के लिए गैस स्टोव की ज़रूरत होती है ना, सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? हमको चाय बनानी है तो हम क्या करेंगे? गैस जलाएंगे ना, उसमें पैन रखेंगे, फिर चाय बनाएंगे. ओके, इन द सेम वे प्लांट्स ऑल्सो नीड heat energy to prepare their food. And where from they get this heat energy? From the sunlight. Okay, and chlorophyll absorbs heat energy from the sunlight. Okay student, the next thing is on the lower side of the leaf. This is the upper side, and here it is the lower side. In the lower side of the leaf, on the lower side of the leaf there are tiny pores present on the lower side of the leaves. Okay, and these tiny pores, what do we call them? We call them stomata. Okay, the tiny pores present on the leaves are known as stomata. Okay student, And what is the work of stomata? Stomata absorbs water. No, stomata absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, student. The stomata absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, student. दो चीज़ मिल गई ना लीव्स को, एक तो हीट एनर्जी मिल गई, दूसरा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके, क्लोरोफिल एब्जॉर्ब्स heat energy from the sun. Stomata absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, now the water. How does leaf get water? Leaves को पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? You all know that root absorbs water from the soil. So you all know that the roots absorbs water from the soil. Root absorbs water from the soil. Okay, and gave it to the stem. है ना, रूट तो जड़ से, roots क्या करती हैं? They absorb the water from the soil and the stem carries the water to the leaves. Here I have a plant. I will show you that. देखिए ये plant है मेरे पास, हाथ में मैंने plant पकड़ा हुआ है. Okay, you can see the roots and roots. देखिए roots और देखिए roots and leaves. जैसे roots जहाँ पर ख़त्म हो रही है वहाँ से stem शुरू हो रही है ना. So the stem, what is the work of the stem? Stem carries water to the leaves. Okay, so where from the leaves get water? From the stem. Stem carries water to the leaves. Okay student. So जब leaves के पास तीनों चीज़ आ गई ना, carbon dioxide, water and heat energy from the sunlight. So the leaves prepare food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. And this whole process is known as photosynthesis. Okay student, this whole process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, once again I repeat, what is photosynthesis? The process through which plants prepare their own food is known as photosynthesis. Okay student, how they, if I ask you how the plant prepare their own food. Okay, first look at the leaves. These leaves are green in color. These leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, and chlorophyll absorbs heat energy from the sun. Okay student, and there are stomata, tiny pores present on the leaves. Tiny pores present on the leaves are known as stomata, and these stomata absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay student, stomata, the tiny pores present on the leaf are known as stomata, and stomata absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay student, and the where from leaves get the water? Root absorbs the water. You all know that root absorbs the water from the soil and the stem carries it to the leaves. Okay student, root absorbs water from the soil and carries it to the leaf. तो leaf को तीनों चीज़ मिल गई, water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. So the plants prepare the leaf prepares food in the presence of water, carbon dioxide and sunlight, and this whole process is known as photosynthesis. Okay student, now can you tell me why the leaves are known as the kitchen or the food factory of the plant? Can you tell me why the leaves are known as kitchen or the food factory of the plant? Can you tell me? Yes, I'll tell you. Okay, the leaves are known as kitchen of the plant. Why leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant? Because in our home, the food, where the food is prepared, the part of our home where the food is prepared is known as kitchen. हमारे घर में जहाँ पर खाना बनता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? किचन कहते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो जो प्लांट्स का फूड बनता है वो कहाँ बनता है? लीव्स में. दैट्स वाई दे आर नोन एज द किचन ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड वाई दे आर नोन एज द फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट? फूड फैक्ट्री क्यों कहते हैं लीव्स को? Student, you all eat chocolates, chips, chocolate, fruity, jam, tomato sauce. Okay, these, where from these things comes to us? These things comes from factories. Okay, factories keep on making these things regularly. Okay, so in the same way, leaves leaves prepares the food for the plant continuously. So they are known as the food factory of the plant. They are factory for the plant. Okay, leaves are the factory from the plant because the leaves are preparing food continuously for the plant, है ना. प्लांट्स का फूड ऐसा तो नहीं एक दिन बनाया दूसरे दिन नहीं बनाएंगे, ऐसा तो नहीं है. लीव्स आर continuously making the food for the plants. Daily they make the food for the plants, so they are known as the food factory of the plants. Okay, student. So this was about the photosynthesis. Okay, student. Now I want to tell you, we have studied about there are two types of roots. Okay, roots we know, the part of the plant that we cannot see. Okay, the part of the plant we cannot see. Okay, and the part of the plant that grows under the soil. That grows under the soil is known as roots. Here I can show you one plant is also here. Okay, you can see here it's a plant. Okay, and we cannot see the roots. Why? Because roots grow under the soil. Okay, here also यहाँ पर एक करेले की बेल लगी. I will show you. Roots we can't see because they grow under the soil. Okay, and what is the function of the root? Root absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Okay, but there are mainly two types of roots. Okay, one is fibrous root and one is a tap root. Tap root is a single thick root. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. I have a root here. This you can see. Yes, you can see this is a tap root. Tap root आप देख रहे हैं single root है ना, एक single सीधी root है and it has many branches. Okay, it is a single thick root with many branches. Tap root कैसी होती है? Single thick root. It is a single thick root as you can see in the picture. I'll show you here. Okay, tap root is this is a single thick root with many branches. Okay, this is a tap root. Tap root is a single. You can see this is a single thick root with many branches, small branches coming out of it. It is a tap root. Example, I have a plant of Sadabahar. You can see flowers are not here, but you can see this is the plant of Sadabahar. Okay, and beetroot, carrot, all have tap roots. Okay, now I will show you fibrous root. Okay, student, I have a tulsi plant here. Okay, you can see here it's a tulsi plant. I have a tulsi plant. ये कौन सा पौधा है? तुलसी का प्लांट है. And you can see the roots. Roots देखिए कैसे हैं. It is a bunch of thread-like structure. Okay, so the fibrous root is like a bunch of thread. Fibrous root is just like the bunch of thread. Bunch means गुच्छा, है ना. आपने देखा है अंगूर का गुच्छा देखा है. A bunch of grapes you all have seen. आप सबने grapes खाए हैं ना. और grapes क्या होते हैं? गुच्छे में होते हैं. हम कहते हैं a bunch of grapes, है ना, गुच्छे में होते हैं ना. और इसी तरह से आपने देखा होगा जब जिनकी मम्मी स्वेटर बुनती है, आपने देखा होगा स्वेटर बुनते समय कभी धागा उलझ जाता है ना, तो उसी तरह से ये रूट होती है फाइब्रस रूट. बिल्कुल जैसे धागा उलझ जाता है. कभी आपने देखा होगा जो लोग पतंग उड़ाते हैं उनका भी तो पतंग उड़ाते उड़ाते धागा उलझ जाता है ना. सो इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक दैट, अ बंच ऑफ थ्रेड्स मतलब धागा, जैसे उलझा हुआ धागा होता है ना, बिल्कुल वैसे ही धागा आपस में फंस जाता है ना, तो उसी की तरह ये दिखती हैं. अ बंच ऑफ थ्रेड्स मीन्स और धागों का गुच्छा, धागे के गुच्छे की तरह दिखती हैं. ठीक है. सो हेड्स आई हैव दिस इज़ अ तुलसी प्लांट. ओके, एंड वी कैन सी इट इन ग्रास ऑल्सो. जो ग्रास का पौधा होता है, आई विल शो यू. देखिए यहाँ पर ग्रास है. आई विल जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट. आई विल शो यू. अभी ग्रास का प्लांट हम उखाड़ रहे हैं. आई विल शो यू. इट ऑल्सो हैव अ, देखिए इसमें मिट्टी लगी हुई है. येस, इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर बट इट ऑल्सो हैव अ fibrous root. Okay, and I will show you some more plants. देखिए ये है सरसों का प्लांट. ओके, इसे राई कहते हैं. इट ऑल्सो हैव अ fibrous root. Okay, student. So today we have studied about the process of photosynthesis, and here we have studied about the two types of roots. This is tap root. Tap root is a single thick root. It is a single thick root with many branches. Okay, and this type of root we see in carrot, beetroot, and here I have a Sadabahar plant. Okay, student. And now here you can see these are fibrous root. Fibrous root is just like the bunch of threads. Bunch of threads means धागे की गुच्छे की तरह होती हैं. Okay student, and the example are, I have a tulsi plant here, okay, and the grass, onion plant all have this fibrous root. Okay student. Okay student, today we have studied the process of photosynthesis and the two types of roots. Okay, in our next video we will study about the germination of seeds. For that I have grown some seeds. I will show you. Okay. Yes student, as you can see that I have taken some mud in a rectangular box. Okay, you can also take a rectangular box and grow some seeds. I have grown here some seeds. Okay, and in my next video I will show you how they grow. Okay, I'll show you the germination of seed. Okay, you can also take a rectangular box and take some soil in it and grow some seeds. Okay, then we will study about the germination of seeds. Okay student, so thank you. Let's meet in the next video. Okay, thank you.